Okay, so if you shop the 99-cent store, you've probably seen this. They've been selling this now. I took it apart. Unfortunately, I was trying to measure it on the wall and it fell and these busted, so I had to glue these back together, but I already did an art piece on the other one. So I'm going to show you how you can do a really easy art piece on this. Now the first thing I'm going to do is remove the glass in this. Now by the way, this was $3.99. Now I'm going to remove all this, and so I'm just going to leave it with just the wood. And what I'm going to do is just paint. Start painting it white. You can use acrylic paint, spray paint, whatever paint you want. This is just regular house paint. The second half of the video, and this is what came with the picture. And so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to just start cutting these middle things out. That I'm going to use. And all I'm going to do, this is just abstract art, and the great thing about this is you can pop in anything you want. You can change it at any time. But right now I'm just going to show you a really simple thing that you can do. Very simple. So I'm going to start with this blue Satin Lagoon color, and I'm just going to do an odd shape. Okay, and what I'm going to do is get my black paint. Unfortunately, I'm almost out. Let me get the black, and I'm going to go over it with black. It's not going to be perfect. It's going to be a little messy. Okay. So that's all I'm doing. There's a little bit of spills, and if you want to fix that, you can get white. Gotta be real careful. You could get white, make it really pop. And like I said, it could be messy. It doesn't have to be perfect, because when you see it in the frame, it's going to look really good. You'll be surprised. So that is what I'm going to leave it as. And I'm going to let this dry, and you're going to be blown away by how this silly thing looks when it's in the frame. So I'll be back when this dries. Okay, so I wanted to show you this mirror that I actually found lying on the street, and I already sanded it a little bit. It was just painted just like this, and it had a lot of little boo-boos that need sanding, so I need to sand this. But this, I want to paint this gold. I'm going to sand it down, and then I'm going to spray paint it, and I will do that. Of course, I can't do that on camera, so I'm going to do that off camera, and then I will show you the result. Okay, so I actually finished the mirror, and then I came up with the most brilliant idea. Now you're going to see I ended up painting it silver, and then I repainted it white. So here is that, and check this out. I bought these cool little, I don't know, the little metal things, self-adhesive at the Dollar King, and check it out. I'm right now putting that on. So I'm going to show you the whole thing when I put these on, and it's just insanely makes such a difference. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. Okay guys, here's the finishing touches on the mirror. Isn't that insane? It adds so much value, and I bought them, actually I was going to use them in these pictures. I was going to make something else with a different backing, and the reason I kept thinking about putting them on this mirror, but I didn't think I'd have enough, but I actually have leftovers. So look how crazy beautiful that is with those. They also have a larger, if you have a Dollar King in your area, they also have larger ones. And they also have gold ones. So you better go, if you have them, go run and get them, because a lot of times they have stuff, great stuff, and you'll never see them again. But check that out. Isn't that insane? I'm loving it. Okay, here we go. Close. Added total value to that mirror, and you gotta remember this mirror was for free. And so these are how the pictures turned out. Now granted, it was a really quick job of spray paint, but I think it looks, you know, really cool. It's not supposed to be something, they're an art piece. And so, you know, that was $4 and some spray paint. You can also you can pull these out of the frame and do any type of backing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again.